Yo, so welcome back. So we are going to do a CDF, like a very easy CDF. I love this because it's based on this My Hero Academy Deku, our guy who eats some hair. I know it's so funny because that's the reason I dropped this anime, and I am recording myself, right? Does this works? Because I want to listen something if that not working. I doesn't know like how my mic setup is going on because I doesn't have a mic now. That's already a problem. So we have already started this machine, and yeah, we are connected. Let's check that if we are connected. Let me start this. Let me also start the timer, and all right, we go. Let me ping it up and say, yeah, we are connected, and let me put this on. Then okay, it doesn't. Oh shit! What the fuck is going on? Uh, all right, so everything is set up. Now let's go and let's starting with nmap. Uh, I will not do this is easy machine, so you can just have this and put an IP address. But this is not a best practice, but here we are doing this because we are not that much of ethical and just going on that base to have that all the scripts and ports and everything version running on. So we don't see that in easy machines we are going to use it. And you can already see like I'm back on the CDF thing. I was so much busy on like doing something else for past 4 months now, and still going on. Today's 26, and I have like 4 days or 5 days to figure that out. So let me see. Okay, so two ports are open. That's kind of sad. So which means we have a website here. Let's go on a website. All right. Oh, there we go. UA High School. So you can see like I've already like solved this one. So oh shit, you do see that. Uh, no worries, because the purpose here of this video is to just have fun and learn something. So what I should do in this thing, I just go and do did search because it's an easy machine, so I can you have a pattern here to do a CDF. So if like port 80 is open and you can see the website, you just go and do uh, not subdomain enumeration and directory enumeration. There's two things you have to do, but in this case, just do like directory search. So we'll go dir search and let's see what we can find. So and here we can just go and check the source code if you like, because most of the time there are some things you can just find out. So nothing else. There must be, you can look for the comment sections, and there is no comment at all. So I have gone through the content, and I was thinking like there must be some accesses, but there was not, because when I find it out, there's like post method which is taking there. So I have checked, none of the link is working. So this is not OSNT. So there we go. So I have also filled up, but this is not going to redirect anywhere. So and there we have this directory. We can see SS star there. So we can also like able to find out with this. And this is giving us like 301 redirection to this. And if we go to this one, so it actually give us like SS here, and then it have a slash. So we doesn't have there, so there are like 0 bits. We doesn't have anything. So this is interesting. We can just go there and have if we can find out something. So let me just go and assets. Okay, so here we can see like we have nothing. So nothing in particular here. So that's cool. Now you can just go and put. You can able to see the source code here, but you will find nothing. So now at this moment, you have to be like, oh wow, we have nothing here. So maybe we can just go and maybe did search here. So let me get it out because we already found what we want to. Now assets, and we can try to do this here. So we will just go with this starting point. Now you can just also run, but here, what assumptions you can make because we are already here. So Let me just think, because we can have the only thing we can do right now is just rely on this thing and maybe search for any direct research, which we are doing right now, and nothing else we can do here. But what else we can do? Oh, this kind of like Sherlock thinking, but all right, we can just wait for it, and you can just go on a website and just search for it. But there are nothing else you are gonna find here, because the server side out. Everything we can do on a website is already done. But from our nmap, we already know like there are two ports. Maybe we can just go after that. We can do sh, which we are gonna do here. All right. Then go. It will be all right. Here we go. So we have something interesting. We can just copy it and we can wait for the result. Maybe we found something. So let me do this. Images. Oh my God, this is 403. Oh no, we are forbidden here. So what else it can mean? Let me go here. Nothing. So it's well, we have some information gathering here. We have Apache. It's running on Ubuntu, and that's great. We already know that is a port 80, and oh, I don't have a webalizer, right? I just installed this, so sorry about that. So how can we confirm? We can go from here. So it's in PHP. Um, that's what I can able to see if we just go. I want to run. You can run burp and you can see like it's in PHP. How do you know that you will have a key value for that? I did that when I was solving. You can try by your own, and in that you can do this by index index.html. So that will be not found. Okay, so index.php, and you can also, oh okay, so here we go. We are already here. So now you have index.php. We can see like now, nice. So if someone is from OffSec here, okay, and someone is studying for like that OffSec pen testing, and I mean for OSCP, so the only motive like here we can have a CFD and we can have a RCE here. How do we know? Because that's an experience, and to be true, you can always check that, because it have a directory, and then in PHP it's giving us no response, and this is the moment where hackers mind can tickle. So let me go, and you can also like fuzz it. Uh, Basically, you can fuzz it. That's the thing you can do here. So I'm not gonna fuzz it because I already got this. So I'm just gonna go and just put that CMD and have a reverse shell. How does that sound? CMD, we can just try to do with something ID or UID. You can just try this ID. We can have this. Let me try. Who am I? Uh, all right. We can have this. This as in, oh, nothing here. This is encoded. Everything is encoded here. So let me see. PWG. Yeah. Now every path is encoded. So now we can have reverse shell. So let's try to get a reverse shell. Let me remove everything so we can have everything neat and clean. Alright, alright. This is good. I don't wanna just close, and should I just go and reverse shell? Okay, here we go. Shell.com. I don't want to write anything manually, so that's why I'm doing it, and everyone uses it, so that's too good. Let me add this. actually need something to import 9001 is not fine. 1337. I always use that. So 10 9 0 1 0 4. Oh, cool. Where is my turn? Let's have a netcat running NVLP 7. Your favorite port. Alright, let's copy this and put it here. Now we can have a reverse shell. Alright. Alright, we are in. You can check the ID. Okay. This is www data which is common for web servers, and this is the only thing like you will get on the web server. So it may like you are in, and that's good. PWG, okay, I'm on the PWG recorder. That's cool. We go outside of it, nothing here. This is all those admission and everything which we have seen on the website. So, all right, what do we have here? PWG, okay, hidden content. All of this. Let's do ls here. Passphrase. Let me get this out. Passphrase and this pass. Base64. Alright. Do this space. Okay, echo. Alright. And pipe it into base. Okay. 64. And decode it. All might forever. Now, this is a password, but this doesn't seem like an SSS password, right? Because it doesn't new any user here, so that's cool. That's alright. We can encode it, and we have this. We can take a note of it because it will be useful because we are dealing with CDF, so that's kind of thing we always have to. So what else we can do here? Let me do. Where are we? Okay, let's go to HTTP. Nice. Let's go to our and let's go outside of it. Okay. Let's go HTML. LS. Okay. Assets were giving us nothing back then on port 80, but now we are inside the terminal. Now we can check what we have. So is there any hidden file? No. So we have a file. Just let's go. Oh yeah, I remember like this will lead us to stereography, and where we have to go with that forensic stuff and gonna change some extension and all things. So one for all, let me get this one for all. Wget, I will check it from. I will not get any setup or Python web server, so I will just get it. How that will sound. Alright. What is the path? Oh, what is up, man? Okay. PWG, let's see that. Where I am. Images. Images and overall. Copy and paste it here. Okay, we get it. Now, if you go and try to open it, it will not. You can't able to open it. So that's the reason, because if you have seen that those magical numbers which we call, but that will not really work, and you have to change the data. Now we have the password, we have our images, and we try to do stick hide, which we can discover to extract the hidden data from it. Let's try to have to extract the hidden data from one for all. Let's try to do that. Stick hide and roll. Okay, and do SF. Oh, sorry, I just put that. Extract SF and password. And put different password. One for all and three exclamation mark. For this, and this is not supportable. And if you ever get this error, it means you have to go and make some hex dump of this image and have to have that magic numbers. Now don't be that much if you don't know about this magic number. It's kind of like pretty easy. There is a website. There's not a website. There is Wikipedia where you can get all those numbers. I have already a cheat sheet on this one. So let me go and do hex dump of this. So I will use hex editor, and then B flag for all, and G. All right. So there we go. So this is PNG, right? This whole thing here is for 0A, ODA, IA, and OA. This is PNG. Right. Now we have to change this to JPG, but it looks like a JPG. It's on a JPG versus not JPG. That's crazy. Okay, so I will use that FF G8, FFD8, FF0, 00, 10, 8, 46, 49, 46, 00, and 5. Okay, now this was my password on some of my Gmail if I now let's save it. Yeah, it doesn't have to do it. Now let's try to do this and put that oh no, what was the password? We have to do it again. I took the note. No problem. Let me do it one more time. A64 and T4. So this is our password. You're saying I was already could not extract any data with that passphrase. Yeah. And yep, there you go. We got the credits dot txt finally. Let me cat it. Okay, this is now we can do SSH. Let's do SSH on a new tab. Doesn't need this now. Deku SSH Deku @ next. Or we can do it from here. Yes, of course. What is the password? Alright. We are here. Paste it. Okay, we are finally here and you have a user flag now. So first part is done. Now for the privilege escalation, let's do sudo l and say no 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 no. Okay, because see, okay, so there's a file in feedback.sh. Let's read this feedback.sh. What does it say? Let me also just go here in opti new directory. So we just read it. Let's get it out. Okay, now here we go. Hello and everything. Like I forgot about this. Look at this thing. So it will just retrieve this thing and in a feedback.txt. Let me try to do this. Let's run this feedback.sh. Hello, and let's try to do this. And where does it save? It saves var log feedback. Oh, all right. Let me just go there. Get it. Get to log feedback txt. So there we go. We got nothing here. That's supposed to be happen. Nice. So okay. Now let's try to do one thing here. What we can do here to we can modify it and we can see like their feedback is not going to be here. This is banner is not important. Then we can check for all the inclusive ones. Not important. But what I thought in starting and doing that is to retrieve a root text here. We already know like where the root flag is. So, but that doesn't work because uh, Vim that doesn't work in this one. So what we can do, we can just have a pseudo privileges in this and give all the pseudos to all the users so that we can relaunch the bash and we can have the past we can just have this file and the root user to access everything without a password. That was the best approach I thought of. Maybe there are like other approaches which I think like maybe just going with like tab text and then we have this. Let me try to first manipulate the data of it. Let me try to do fray and this is our text and can I retrieve this here in tab folder? So let me try to do it because it's going in tab and was the path. Alright, I forgot the path. No problem. txt or so alright. Can it retrieve me the free string? I think we can gmp oh yeah, there it is. So what I thought that that was that was not so stupid approach, but this have took me like 10 minutes to figure it out that I can't able to like retrieve the user the root flag with this approach. So what I did, I just give like a permission to all the users, and which is so dangerous if that ever happened. So and that's cool. I will just show you like how I did it. I think like I have something like this. Let me give it to all the users, and if I try to give this, I just know what is my username stack. Oh, password. Okay, I can use cron jobs here. Can I use cron jobs? I think I can use a cron jobs and then I can have that file. Oh, okay, forgot that. That was so stupid. That was so stupid. And this approach is like really nice. So I will use like EDC and sudoers, and then this will give this to without any password, and then I can just go and ping bash to it, and then we can have the root flag. This is nicer. Okay, permission denied. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Sudo. Alright, we are here. Let's give. Okay, now we added Deku to our etc sudoers, and Deku can also be root now, and then we can have this root flag now. Okay, this is cool. Sudo bin bash. This was easy. This was alright. Now we have root clearly. Let's do okay. Let's not choose a cat and all. We can just go. Let's do ID for this, and yep. They got the root flag now. Alright, there we go. We got the root flag, but there are some other approaches which I can use, and there will be like two more approaches to have this. But this one goes very clearly because we can put that file anywhere we want. So we can also put like Deku in the sudoers, and then we can have launch the bash. So this was the very logical thinking I can just figure out, because I can do like tray to that TMP folder, and then I can do like Deku to sudoers, and then have a root. So yeah, that's it. That's it about this video. I hope you like this challenge. This is my also like I'm also starting like Tryhackme again to have those streaks. Maybe we can have those streaks.